my name is Sweet.
Hi, my name is Mark.
Hi, my name's Colin. Hi, my name is Chloe.
And together, we are the Team Camera!
Yay!
Yeah.
Today, guys, I'm going to unbox a new floor lamp for our living room.
Yes.
Got some,
Today,
yeah. So here we go. So let's get this out.
yeah, and I'm gonna help Daddy today because I'm
Yeah.
a sister because
Cool.
I'm the big sister when we're in a punch right now.
Yeah. Oh, look, we've got some instructions.
And there's the lamp.
That's one lamp, yeah. Take it all out. Okay, we don't need that box.
Yeah.
Put it down. And then we got that one. Okay, we don't need that box. Hold on. What else we got? We got this one. Okay. And that's some poles. Oh, and that is the big heavy metal base. So that stands on. So let's see what we can do, yeah?
And this is already coming out.
Yeah, it's okay.
Wait, I can take out.
Yeah. So here we go. Here comes we've got the big metal heavy base.
Yes.
Right, so here we go. So what we need to do, we need to get the poles out. You pull that one out. Okay. Hold on.
And that one has a really black bit.
Yeah, that's for the cable, that one, Chloe. So what we do is these ones here, look, what we've got to do, we've got to screw these ones together, like so. Nice and tight. Do you want to screw that one on, look, for me? Okay. So we screw that one up, mind your fingers. Wow, look at that. There we go. And then this one here, look, we screw on the bottom. This is the base. Okay.
It's kind of weird. And this looks like a cup.
No, that is a... That's it, look, it's not going to move now, look. Look at that. We slide that one up, that's to hold the cable in. Make sure it's all
Is
nice and
this a
tight.
hat?
No, it's not a hat. That's for one of the lights. So what we do next is we get
It looks weird.
one of the lights. That's actually the lampshade, Chloe.
And there's a baby now.
A baby lampshade. So you've got a baby lampshade and a big lampshade. Look, so we've got one lampshade and another lampshade.
They're both baby.
Yeah. Okay, so that one.
Maybe big. This is small and this is big.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, isn't it, Daddy?
It is a little bit. But now we've got to figure out how these go together now. So this one. Okay, so then what we do is this one then.
It's still hard.
First we've got to figure out how she's letting you know.
Why look like a real lamp?
You look like a lamp,
She
yeah.
looks like a lamp, does she?
Yeah.
Yeah, she looks like a Chinese lamp.
You look like a lamp. Where's the switch? Toink. Is that the switch? Let me see. Toink, 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 toink.
And I got a baby lamp.
Baby lamp, yeah.
Baby lamp.
I'm gonna see it.
You see, this one here.
It's a little bit
So,
wobbly.
yeah, so what we've got to do, take this little plastic grommet out from the top.
It's a little bit wobbly and
Yeah.
crazy.
Take this one out. It's got a split in it. You pull that one out.
Daddy, this is
Take that one out of there. It's got a little split in it. Get it out. And then what we do then is we screw this one here. This is a dual purpose. So you can either have one light on or the other light on.
two lights.
Okay, so we've got the cable comes out through here, so you just have to pull it down slightly, that's it. And then screw that into there. Okay, so that goes in there. Just make sure.
Ring, 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 ring.
Is that for the rain?
Okay, and then what we do then is this one there screws into there.
So that's side lang.
So the idea of this one is an uplighter, and then also you have this one that comes over the top of your shoulder, but it's on two separate switches.
Do you like my
Let me
version?
see the switch.
Two separate switches.
Mama, do you like my version?
So this one this one sits behind you, and then this one.
Oh.
There you go.
Hey, oh, we got
We got
interruption.
interruption from the little lamp here.
Interruption in the middle of
What am I
unboxing.
doing? Because I'm not involved in this one, so why is nobody? No, she says nobody's involving me and I'm the baba. I've got to be involved in what's going on.
Interruption.
Yeah, interaction with the baba first.
Okay, I can hold her.
Right. Okay, so this one is the uplighting part. This one is the bit that's adjustable, goes over your shoulder, and you can adjust it up or down.
Ah,
So it can go anywhere you want.
let me see.
So little screw, and it goes up or down anywhere you want. Okay, so what we do now is put the lampshade on.
Oh.
So they go onto there, like that. And
Ah,
that screws into there like that.
screw it. Oops.
Either that was the baby.
Baby. Sister.
And then what we do is the same with this one. If my assistant will hand me the Chinese lampshade,
Ah, I see.
I'll have to lean this one forward because I'm not tall enough. Okay, so what we do now is put the top lamp on. Okay, it's just a simple. Simple thing like that. Okay. And then what we do then is I will go and grab a couple of bulbs and then I'll show you it working. I just thought we have got a bulb.
Look at this.
That screws into there. Okay. Right, and then what we've got on the top one is this one here is a different type of bulb, but it's also a colour changing bulb. So you can have it white out of there and a different colour there, whatever suits your mood. And then it comes with a remote, look.
Oh, wow.
Oh, connect.
Here's the remote.
Oh, yeah, and there's the bulb. Now these are all LED, okay, so they're all energy efficient. Okay. So this one then screws in there.
Daddy, can I see the remote?
Okay.
Daddy, can I see the remote? It's so good.
What we do now is we're going to do this. This will lead, take the protective cover off. Up the lead. Lead. Okay, so what we need to do is find a plug socket just to test it out. So here's one I prepared earlier over here. Everything's in, we've just plugged it in, so this is the moment of truth and to see what we got. So ready, here we go, it's the first switch. Wow, look at that.
So that's for one light.
Right, that's for one light.
Yeah.
Okay, and the next one, wow, look at that one. Okay, so we turn this one off. Okay, and then this one here, we can dim. Wow. And then we can do different colours. Oh, look at that. That's a nice colour. Wow, I love that one. You can have a cup of tea with it. There you go. Nice and glow for the moon. And then we can have a colour changing. For music. So when it's... So if you tap and what's it, it picks it up as music. We can have a heart. Glows hearty. A flame. Oh, get a flame effect. And then we can have different, and then we can have all different colours. Which has also got different notes.
Do the heart shape again. The heart shape. Oh, on top. Draw. I try it. It'll be simple.
Ready? Steady. There's one.
Yay!
Change to that light. And ready? Here comes the second one. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
And then what we'll do, we'll put it on a nice glowy flame.
Oh, the other.
Yeah.
The
Oh,
other tree.
no, that's doesn't fix that one. It's just that one up there. Right. It's like a bulb in your bedroom there. Yeah. And then what we do, we can turn that one off. Oh, turn that one off. Look. We can have it on different colours. Use different moods.
Silver.
Green.
It's like a potty plant.
And then we can do
Blah.
it in different colours. Look.
Choose
Like
yellow.
this.
Choose
And then we've got
yellow.
that one.
Choose yellow.
Red. See, it comes in all different colours there.
Choose
Keep pressing the
yellow.
button. Red. Okay guys, so if you'd like to know more, please watch our videos and subscribe to Teen Camera. Thank you. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.